All right. How's everybody doing? My name is Adrian Fleischer, and this is FYS 101, specifically for students in the STEM silo. And this is the 8-week version of the course. Now we do have a longer version of this course. This is the 8-week version. And I have to presume if you've made it this far and you're watching this video right now, uh, you're savvy enough on Blackboard to actually open up Blackboard, log in, etc. But if you ever have an issue for whatever it is with Blackboard and trying to navigate around, and you'll see this in the syllabus video, we do have resources on campus that you can source, whether it's for simple IT type stuff, having issues with email, or Blackboard. They're wonderful people to work with. So I'm going to go ahead and limp through this just, so you guys have it. But if you look at this, you go to this pull-out tab over here to the left, open that up. That'll be the pull-out menu. What you're most interested in this pull-down menu will be the announcements tab, the syllabus and schedule tab, course materials. We really don't have any for this course. Faculty information, that's how to reach me and how to contact me, and I'll have my information in there for you. Learning modules will be the biggie. That's where we're going to navigate everything for this course. Now, granted, this is going to look a little bit different than your version because I'm not in the student view, and I can switch into that from here. But the biggies you're looking at are syllabus and schedule, so you can keep track of things, faculty information in case you need to reach me, the learning modules, and then discussion board to a lesser degree because I'll have those actually embedded in the actual modules themselves. So the next step in this is once you've finished this video, go ahead and click on learning modules and open that up. And within learning modules, I'll have a number of different videos in here that you can follow along with to kind of keep you on track. This course is asynchronous, which means you will not have to worry about logging in at a particular time or day to go ahead and do a Zoom video. You can follow along in the course and kind of follow along week to week to week and just get your assignments done, get your homework in, and you'll be fine in this course. To that end, guys, I'm going to sign off and be on the lookout for information in the introduction module. This is where you're going to go to next. Got it? Have a great one. Signing off.